Does your voice sound so bad over the mic that your teammates or colleagues can barely hear you? Or you just want to level up the audio quality when recording voiceovers or streaming professionally, but you can't afford to spend the hundreds of dollars that your favorite creators or streamers spend on just their microphone, especially when starting out? Fret not, this $25 microphone will not only do just the job, but do it surprisingly well, and I'm going to show you how well this performs. The mic that I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing today is from B.BMic, a USB condenser microphone that plugs straight into your computer and is ready to go. And also I will leave links in the description below to where you can find this mic and purchase it for yourself if you decide to buy it. Okay, first let's take a look at the box. The box looks like this. It says USB condenser microphone and open from here. On the side it says professional microphone system, made in China, of course. Made in China, of course. What do you expect? Back professional microphone, and on the other side same thing, and on the back is the same picture as the front. Okay, so as you can see, open from here, so you know where to open it. Now I'm going to open the box. Wow, comes in a really nice package. First we got the cable for the microphone. It is a, if I'm not wrong, a mini USB to USB. This plugs into the microphone and this into your PC, and USB-C to USB connector, adapter, and just plug it into your computer. Okay, and the second thing is we get this sort of stand here. You see it's pretty nice, metal finish, sort of a chrome finish. Oh, these are metal. These are definitely metal. There's this rubber at the bottom to prevent slipping, and the thread here so you know you can mount your microphone. And next to it we have this thing, which is what gives you the adjustability for your microphone. It mounts onto here and it just screws in like that, and from here you can tighten it. You can tighten it like this and untighten, so you can move your microphone. And here is to connect the microphone, which is the main portion of this review. And we have the microphone capsule itself. This is where all the magic happens. This is where the voice, this is where your it picks up your voice and processes it. Taking a look around it, it is definitely made of metal. Totally metal, which is very nice for this price point, as I see many cheap plastic microphones at like Challenger or some of your local electronic stores. And it does have a volume knob. Basically this is a gain for your microphone, make it louder or softer. And it does have a nice little arrow here with, of course, the indication, and a blue indicator light right here to know if the microphone is on and working when you plug it in, and it will just pop out as a blue LED. And on the bottom we have the connector, the mini USB connector, and the thread to mount our microphone to. So I'm going to show you how to set up the microphone right now. First, you want to get your microphone right here, your microphone capsule, and this part right here. See, then you want to insert this in here like this and just screw it in. Okay, make sure that the microphone is tight enough. And of course, if you want to adjust it, you can turn it clockwise to loosen it, so you can position your mic properly. And once you're done that, make sure you turn it anti-clockwise to tighten it. And of course, from here you can tighten it to your desired height as well. And then you want to grab this piece right here, the actual stand itself, and you want to put it here and turn it anti-clockwise, and you have your stand fitted to your microphone, as can be seen here. Then you want to prop up your mic at the correct level right here. Alright, and you want to plug in this cable at the bottom of your microphone. You can see right here this cable, and just plug it in. Make sure you plug it in the correct way. And of course, uncoil this cable right here, USB connector. This cable is pretty long. This cable is about 1.5 meters, which can definitely plug in behind your PC, as I know many people are using this for their PC, but you know, short enough. And with the twist tie here, you can actually cable manage this and make the cord shorter for plugging it into your laptop. Just plug this into your computer and you're ready to go. And now I'll give you an audio test about how this microphone sounds. And now, using this microphone, I am going to record straight into Audacity with no post-processing, 5 inches away from my mouth, which is an average distance I would recommend for most microphones like this. Now let's see how this sounds. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Don't forget to like if you did, subscribe if you haven't already for more awesome tech content like this. As you can hear, the microphone sounds really good for its price. It picks up bass tones in my voice very well with a cardioid pickup polar pattern, all while sounding clear and natural sounding. But do beware, although this microphone blocks out quite a lot of background noise, it is still best suited for use in a relatively quiet environment. Now, time for my opinion. If you are just starting out doing voiceovers or streaming, this microphone will be just perfect for you, as it comes at a low price of $25. And I'll make sure to drop a link in the description to where you can buy this microphone for yourself. Now, question of the day. What microphone are you using, and which microphone are you planning to upgrade to? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I'm sure to reply to every single one of your comments. And a quick note, this is the microphone that I use for not only the voiceover part of my YouTube videos, but also fully to stream as well on my gaming channel, so I can attest for its quality. If you liked what you see here, make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as checking out a few of my channels linked down in the description below. And do check out my friend B.BMic's channel, as well as his Discord, which is where you can find me. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end, and make sure to stay tuned for more awesome gaming content like this.